Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some cute, colorful coffee filter flowers. If your parents drink coffee, they probably have some coffee filters in the kitchen somewhere. These are what they look like. They're a round, sort of thin paper. They like to stick together, so make sure if you get some that you don't have them doubled up like these two are. I'm going to be using 3 coffee filters today. Here's my first one. Now, for this project, I like to fold my filters up in a special way. It gives it a really cool tie-dye effect when you paint it if you fold it. I fold it first in half, like a taco shell, and then in half again, like a little slice of a quesadilla, and then one more time so that it makes a thin slice or a cone shape. All right. And after you've got your filter folded up, you can paint it. I'm using some liquid watercolor paint, and it's going to be messy, so I'm going to put a little table protector underneath my filter here. Yeah, like I said, you can use watercolors for this project, or any kind of watered down paint, or even food coloring. Watered down food coloring will work. It does need to be pretty watery so that it soaks up into the coffee filter like you want it to. So I'm going to do this first one with some nice kind of cool colors. Blue and yellow will mix and make some green there for me. And I think that'll be a pretty cool colored flower. Yellow in the middle, kind of like a cartoon flower. Let's see, and after you've got it painted the way you want, go ahead and unfold it again so it can lay flat and dry. You can leave them folded up to dry, they'll be fine, but your colors might get more muddy if you leave them folded up. And by muddy, I mean more mixed. Okay, for my second one, I think I'm going to use some warmer colors. Use some yellow, red, and I've got a nice deep purple over here that I want to use. Remember to unfold it, lay it flat. For this last one, I think I'm going to paint it a little differently. I'm going to do a polka dot pattern, which is different from the stripes that I was doing earlier. But I think it'll have a neat effect on my flower. But with the little polka dots, you really got to make sure that the paint goes all the way through to the other side. Yeah. Need to add more paint over here. Yeah, it's going to be pretty. Okay, after we've given our coffee filters some time to dry, we can get them back out. And now we're going to make them look like flowers. So we're going to take them and fold them up again. I'm going to fold this one up like I had it before so I can give it a fringed edge. So we can have some fringy petals. And with the edge like that, it'll look something like this. Cute. With these other two, I think I'm going to take them and combine them and make one flower. One rainbow flower. Just kind of mash them together. Now, and I want to make a hole in the middle, but that's not a good way to make a hole. Okay, you never want to be poking at yourself with scissors. This is an easy way. You just turn, pinch, and snip off the tip. And after you've made that little hole in the middle of your flower, you're going to take some pipe cleaners, and I like to twist 2 together and make your flower stem stronger. That's what this will be. It'll be the stem of our flower. So I twist 2 together. It's good to have 2, and I'll show you why also in a minute. It makes it stronger, and then you can put 1 through the hole that you made, and you can wrap 1 around the base of your flower. This just makes the connection between the pipe cleaner and your flower a little bit stronger. You can add a sequin or a button or some little trinket in the center of your flower to be the middle. Just slide it onto your pipe cleaner. I'm actually going to add multiple things. I'm going to put a sequin and a button. Okay, and that's just going to keep your flower from falling off the stem. And it makes it cute in the middle. Cute and colorful. And then for this one, I'm going to do the same thing. Pinch the middle, snip a hole, take 2 pipe cleaners, twist together, nope, not that much together. Put 1 in the hole and 1 will wrap around. Add a button or sequin of your choice. And voila! Coffee filter flowers. Thanks for watching. Enjoy getting creative at home.